All right, so this video is for problem number 14 in section 8-1. Student asked about this one. I imagine a lot of you guys are going to struggle because maybe we don't remember what domain and range is. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to graph the parent function, which I've already done. Okay, I think on all these we wanted to just be doing that right away. Okay, now we want to graph this stretch of the parent function. Remember, when we're multiplying a number times the square root of the variable, it's going to be a stretch. Okay, so in other words, the y value is going to be 5 times whatever the parent value was. So the square root of x in our parent function was just 0, 1, 2, 4 if we use 0, 1, 4, 9 as our x values. All right, so let's graph our y values. Okay, so if we have x equals 0, well, 5 times 0 is 0. Right? 0 times 5 is 0. Okay, if x is 1, y is 5 times 1, so that's going to be 5. Okay, if x is 4, y is going to be 2. Well, 2 times 5 on this stretch is going to be 10. And then if it's 9, we're going to do y value is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So we can go to graph this. 0, 0, it's going to be the same spot there. I'm not putting that one there because it ruins my pens. Okay, and then 1 on the x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is going to be at the top of our graph. So we know that this thing, 20, is going to be probably way up here somewhere if I kept going. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then we're going to go up. That's 10, and then double that. It's probably going to be up here somewhere. Okay, so it should follow that kind of same. Okay, so we'll just do like that. Okay, so great. So that's the graph, but all they're really asking us is what is the domain in range? In other words, what are all the possible x values? Domain, remember, all possible x values. So if this graph went on forever, what are all the possible x values? And then the range, we want to know what are all the possible y values. Okay, so if I keep going this way, this graph, as you can see, keeps going off into the distance. What are all the possible y values? Well, the possibilities are infinite, right? What are all the possible x values? Can I just keep going all the way this way forever? Yes. Okay, so all the possible x values are from 0, right? Because can we have negative x values for square roots? And the answer is no, because that gives us an imaginary number, totally different kind of graph. Okay, so our domain is from 0 to positive infinity. Okay, oh, there's my dogs going after each other, so yay, fun for us. Okay, so the domain, all possible x's starting at 0 can go, x can go this way forever. And then the range, all possible y values going this way to forever. Okay, so we can write it like this. Okay. Okay, sort of like an ordered pair, but this is set notation. Okay, so our domain is from 0 to infinity. Our range is from 0 to infinity. So that's what they're looking for on this. What are the possible x values? What are all the possible y values?